Tonight on Cooking with Al, we'll be making Chinese chicken meatballs with bok choy and sweet peppers. Stay tuned. Guys, before we get started, just a few things. If you guys need the step-by-step recipe guide, the link is in the description. Click there, jump to the site. You can follow step by step. Need any of the cooking tools, as always, the link is in the description and on the website. And if you want to try out this meal and other meals from Blue Apron, there's a special deal for you guys. The link is in the description and on the website. So with that said, let's get the ingredient lists for tonight's meal. We have 10 ounces of ground chicken. We have 4 ounces of sweet peppers. We have half a cup of jasmine rice. We have 10 ounces of Baby Bok Choy. We have 2 tablespoons of soy glaze. We have 3 tablespoons of Cumin, Sichuan, peppercorn sauce. Hopefully I said that correctly. And last but not least, we have a 1/4 cup of Panko breadcrumbs. As always, you need a few things to cook this meal. You need a medium-sized pan, a small to medium-sized pot, mixing bowl, plate, salt and pepper, your favorite knife, olive oil, and 3 containers to slice and dice the peppers, the bok choy, and to mix the sauce. I don't have no place to put it. There we go. I'm gonna rinse the produce and here's what we're doing. We're going to slice the peppers thinly, remove the insides, seeds, and ribs. We're going to roughly chop the bok choy, and we're gonna make the sauce by combining the Cumin, Sichuan peppercorn sauce, the soy glaze, and 3 tablespoons of water. So you'll also need a measuring spoon. Pretty simple. We're now going to boil the rice. So we're going to add the rice to the pot. Pinch of salt. And a cup of water. Mix it up a little bit. Put on high. And cover with a little. Not completely, so you let a little air in. And we're going to cook this for about, or boil this for about 13 minutes. Now the water is boiling, so you want to lower that to a simmer. And while that boils the rice, we're going to prepare the chicken balls. So we're going to add the chicken, panko breadcrumbs, and a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper to this bowl. We're going to combine it and then make 10 to 12 little chicken balls. Pretty simple. We're now going to add some olive oil to the pan. Want to make sure it's nice and hot. Spread that around. And we're now going to cook the chicken balls for approximately 10 minutes or so, turning it every few minutes. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes, now turning it over. Bonito. And one last time. Now I'm going to cook the veggies. Add some oil. Peppers. I'm going to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. And now I'm going to add the bok choy, cook for about 3 minutes. Alright, we're now going to add the chicken balls back in. And the sauce. And we're going to cook for about a minute. Just get everything all nicely coated. Get the chicken balls heated up again. And then we're going to plate the dish. A nice coating. There we go. Okay, so we're just about ready. We want to give it a little taste. Make sure it's to your liking. Pick up. Use a little salt. Mix it again. Much better. Right. Let's plate the dish. Here we go. Flip the rice. Some of the chicken balls and veggies. Ironically, there's 13 here, so one person gets 6, the other person gets 7. There we go. Tonight's meal, ladies and gents. Stay tuned for the delicious meal. Very tasty, but you have to add the salt at the end it's crucial. Without it, it's very bland. Aside from that, maybe a little rice, a little more rice, and maybe 3 or 4 more peppers, and it'll be more complete. But overall, it's a very filling meal. It should be filling if you're, not that hungry. But very tasty though. If you guys made it, comment below and like this video if you liked the video. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed to the channel yet. Until next time, keep cooking.